what's up, y'all? This is Alan. Just a quick video on this 30 by 20 charcoal grill. It's been a while since I put one up. But it's a 30 by 20 grill built with 3/16 steel. Has a 4-inch smokestack. Has a side clean out door on it. That's the coal grate and the ash pan. Has 2 racks inside. Both doors have gaskets on them. It comes with 5-inch caster wheels. This grill is $675, built how it is here. And if you're looking for a grill or a smoker or something, I'll leave my email in the description box. And just shoot me an email and I can get it built for you.